Hi YouTube, this is an unboxing of a Pyle microphone, model PDMIC58. I just picked this up on Amazon a few days ago and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Looking at the box, on the front it just has the logo, the Pyle logo, and it has a picture of the microphone itself. On the bottom, nothing, just some, easy open box, 100% recycle. This side, PBMIC58. It looks like a QR code. And this side, it just has, again, the name of the microphone, the model number, Pyle Professional Moving Coil Dynamic Handheld Microphone. And on this side, it has, features: moving coil dynamic unidirectional element, durable zinc alloy metal construction, steel mesh ball shaped grill, frequency response 50 hertz to 15 kilohertz, 600 ohm output impedance, 15-foot microphone with 600 ohm output. And then with that, we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, so since that's open now, we'll take the top cover off. And then it looks like it's another box inside. We open this box up. It looks like warranty information. It looks like it comes with a 1-year warranty, and you have to activate, register in order to use that. And then it comes with a booklet or paper. This is the model that we have here. They have a few different models, but this is the one that we have, the PBMIC58. Looks like it's if you need assistance, or it's a reward. So you get rewards, and then this is contact us if you're unhappy with the product for any reason. And then in the box we have the microphone itself, and we have a cable here. The microphone feels pretty good. It feels solid, good construction. All right, got a little spring on the cable. Looks like it's a standard microphone plug, and on this side it has a XLR, and you just plug it in. There we go. And that's it. I'm gonna connect it to my system and test it out, but it's black microphone, silver cover, XLR connection, and this is I think a 1/4-inch plug that you plug into your system. All right, YouTube, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.